In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Outlook calendar reminders. If you've ever found yourself overwhelmed by constant notifications from your Outlook calendar, you're in the right place. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to keep those reminders from disrupting your workflow. So let's dive in. To start, open up your Microsoft Outlook application, either on your desktop or through a web browser, whichever suits you best. Once you've got Outlook open, your next step is to locate the Sign In button, which you'll find in the top right corner of your screen. Click on it. After you've clicked Sign In, enter your email address and your password, and then proceed to log into your account. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll notice the settings icon, again in the top right corner of your screen. This is represented by a small gear icon, and you'll want to click on that to access your Outlook settings. Now that you've accessed the settings menu, look for an option labeled General. Click on it to move forward. This General tab is going to be your main access point for personalizing how Outlook behaves, including its notification settings. Within the General settings menu, look for the Notifications section. This is where you can manage various alerts, including those pesky calendar reminders. Click on Notifications, and you'll be taken to a screen showing all the different types of alerts that Outlook can send you. Now you want to focus specifically on the calendar notifications. There should be various toggle switches or checkboxes here. Find the one that corresponds to the calendar reminders and simply turn it off. This action will disable those reminders from popping up, allowing you to take control of your focus and reduce distractions. After you've done that, it's important not to skip the next step. Saving your changes. At the bottom of the screen, you should see a Save button. Clicking on that will ensure your new settings are stored and applied to your account. Without saving, all the adjustments you've made may be lost the next time you log into Outlook. And that's it. With those easy steps, you can successfully turn off Outlook calendar reminders and reclaim your peace of mind, leading to potentially more productive days. Remember, it's all about making your tools work for you, not the other way around. If you found this tutorial helpful, feel free to like, subscribe, or share it with others who might benefit from a quieter, less interrupted day. Thanks for watching, and until next time, have a great day.